Hi everyone, what's up, Clevy Nation? Welcome back to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, you guys, my name is Clevy and it is so nice to meet you. Oh my god, you guys, Animal Teaser. The name is actually so funny, Animal, you guys. And this is the teaser. The movie Freaking Me is out, and I am about to check this out. You guys have seriously recommended that I should, and I'm like, okay, let's do this. And if you're ready to do this with me, smash the like button, join the family, join the squad by clicking on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss whenever I upload a new video, guys. Don't forget to watch to the end of the video to find out if you are today's shout out. All right, guys, into it too. Bye. Ooh, let's do this. Ooh.
Thought about kids?
Oh, nice.
I want to be a father.
You won't be like your father, right?
What happened? His father is a bad man.
My father is the...
Oh, okay. Now I saw why. Because I'm like, why the change in music? Oh my god. You guys, let me increase my volume. Okay.
best father in the world. Don't ever go there.
Hey, Mr. Golden Spoon.
Oh, was she being sarcastic?
तेरे जैसे अमीर बच्चे करते हैं. Travel the world, see things, एक दो sports cars crash कर, दो चार affair कर, तेरी आंखें खुलेंगे फिर.
गीतांजलि, तू मुझे कुछ भी पूछ सकती है. Anything dirty, porn देखता हूँ, लड़की झुकती है तो check out करता हूँ, and I'll always give you an honest answer. But not this.
Nice. Okay, I'm already intrigued. Experience a father-son bond carved in blood. I'm in. You guys, you know my only prayer right now that this should be available on Netflix. Fingers crossed. That is my only prayer right now. Like, I really want this to be available on Netflix, you guys. This is a teaser, and I am this intrigued. How much more when the trailer comes out? It's over. Oh.
I'm sure I made some mistakes. नहीं पता था मुझे how to train a son. You trained me well, Papa.
Okay.
बुरा जी वेखण में गया बुरा ना मिलिया कोई जे मैं आपो देखया कुछ तो बुरा ना कोई.
Oh wow. Only one man against all of them. You guys, only one man against all of them. You don't say.
पापा, ये तो शुरुआत है. बहुत काम बाकी है पापा. उसको
Oh, he died too.
मारना है. आप निराश मत होना पापा.
Oh wow. This is my kind of movie. You. Wow. Ooh, sexy. First of December, you guys. I can see Netflix symbol on the end. Yes, it's gonna be available on Netflix. Yo. Oh my god, December is my birthday month, so definitely, you guys, that is special. Oh my god. Damn. My kind of movie. Oh, you guys. I love this. My kind of movie, you guys. I'm in. The fight, the love. Oh, what an interesting dynamic between the son and the dad. I cannot wait. Okay. I cannot wait for, the trailer so we get to know more about this. But from the teaser alone, it is given. It is given all that it is supposed to give. Okay, you guys, like I said, every teaser is always like you dangling a meat in front of somebody, just doing and expecting them to follow. You don't even need to dangle so much right now. I'm already following. This movie is amazing. Oh my god, the production so clean. The sound, yo, I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh my god, when is the trailer coming out? We're in, you guys. Set your calendars. December 1st, my birthday month. I cannot wait to check this out. This is amazing, you guys. Here are today's Instagram and YouTube shout outs. Thank you so much for being a member of Clevy Nation, for staying active on the platform, and for supporting my journey. If you want to be featured next, all you need to do is to follow me on Instagram. You can see my Instagram handle right here. And leave a comment on my latest post, or you subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment on today's video. Guys, if you know you have any other recommendations, you have suggestions, you know the drill. Please leave it right now in the comment section. If you never yet enjoyed this as much as I did, smash the like button, share this video, and join the squad, join the tribe by clicking on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss whenever I upload the video. All right, guys, I can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. I love you. I love you so, so, so much. And thank you for always watching. Ciao.